In this guide, I'll show you how to use a custom button layout on your ROG Xbox Ally or Ally X. So from the home screen, press the Command Center button on your handheld and open up the Armory crate. Now once you're here, select Configure at the top. Now you can customize gamepad mode or desktop mode. I'm going to select gamepad mode. And once you're here, this is where you'll see key mapping. So you'll see all the different buttons on your handheld, and in this example, we're just going to select the A, B, X, and Y buttons. And you'll notice that when you select a button, that'll have a primary function as well as a secondary function. So if you select Edit on the primary function, you can change it to anything you'd like, as well as an action. There's also keyboard options and more. But you also notice that there's a secondary function. So if we go back to explain this better, you'll see at the bottom that the M2 button and the M1 button on the back of your handheld are acting as a secondary function. So if you press and hold down on the M1 or M2 key and press any other button, if they have a secondary function, it'll use that secondary function. So map the buttons as you'd like, and you'll now have a custom button layout. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.